Woodpeckers smash their heads into trees thousands of times a day without damaging their brains. As the bird strikes the tree, special layers inside its skull absorb most of the shock. Its flexible bone structure spreads the impact force across the entire head. Scientists studied this and copied the structure using layered protective materials. Then they redesigned helmet interiors to absorb energy more efficiently during crashes. At first, the helmets still transferred too much force, but after redesigning the shock layers again, they finally became much safer during impacts, turning a bird smashing its head into trees into real-life safety technology.